I recently did a nice little haul on bobbybrown.com and I picked up some stuff from their new Polish Grunge collection. It's a collaboration with their global artist. Her name is Hannah Murray. I saw lip and cheek oil and I was like, adding to cart, adding to cart, adding to cart. And then I saw, which I think this is my favorite purchase of my little haul, the Cream Glow highlighter. This is amazing. You need this. Okay, anyways. So let's do some swatches. Let's try this on. I am doing a wear test for a foundation, so I'm not gonna put all of these on my cheek. I have tried them. I do have some thoughts. So as I mentioned before, it was a lip and cheek oil. So I got excited. I'm gonna swatch these. I will say right off the bat, so these are the lip and cheek oil. These are all 3 shades I bought myself. Some of them are better on the lip. Well, no, they're all good on the lip. Some of them are like good on the cheek, but they're not really, you don't need all 3 basically is what I'm saying. All right, this is shade Exposed. This is the berry one. When I blend them out, you're gonna see what I'm talking about. They don't have the names on the bottom, so if you buy multiple ones. This is a Bitten Cherry. I will try these all on my lips though, for you. And then this is Heat. Exposed, Bitten Cherry, and Heat. Really nice. And then let's blend. That's them blended out. This is what I will say. On the cheek, they're more sheer. If you want a dewy, like dewy glow, that's basically what you're gonna get. You're not gonna get color payoff on the cheek. As lip oils, they're phenomenal. So let's go first with Exposed. Exposed.
Bitten Cherry. Yep, this is Bitten Cherry.
This one's a little bit brighter. Exposed is more of like a plummy shade. It's beautiful. And it feels very light. No scent. On the lips, they definitely have really nice color payoff. I'm gonna blend these out so you can see what I mean. So this is what happens when you put them on like the cheek. The color's very, very subtle. You see how that kind of like, if you're fair skin, everything is gonna show up on you. If you're medium skin tone, I would recommend going with like Bitten or maybe even Heat. That's gonna like have like this little natural red flush to your cheeks. And I'll show you. But the Exposed one, it really didn't do much for me. On my cheeks, on my lips, I love these, absolutely love these. Again, this is gonna be a product that like at the end of the day, if you do your makeup and you put this on your lip and then you just wanna take a teeny bit and just pop it on your cheeks, it is gonna give you like the softest wash of color. Think like watercolor. Now this is my obsession. This is amazing. This is their new highlighter. I really hope that they make this permanent because it's just beautiful. It's a cream compact. See how like when I turn it, it has a really nice glow? It's balmy. Think if you are familiar with like Chanel's Balm Essential, something like that, but not as like wet, I guess. Look at that glow. All right, so this is what I love to do. Actually, I'm just gonna put it on and you guys can see for yourselves. So I take it, and because it's clear, but it has like this little bit of like a peachy gold, it just gives my cheek this beautiful, like no matter what angle I turn, like this nice dewy kind of like wet look. But it's wearable. It's not like, it's wearable. It's not like you can't wear it. What I like too is that this is gonna work on all skin tones. It doesn't have like a white base in it or whatever. It's a clear base and it just has like this really pretty, just like soft glow. And the glow lasts pretty much all day, which I like. And I'm gonna take it down the bridge of my nose. This is like that when you open a magazine and you see somebody has like that editorial glow, but it's like pedestrian friendly. That's what it looks like. Let's pop one of these colors on my cheeks. This one. This is Heat. Back of my hand. And I'm just gonna do this. See how that just kind of, it's like a see-through, like I said, it's like a very sheer wash of color. That's what you're gonna get with these. It takes a few seconds for it to dry down, so just be mindful of that. But like, that's it. That's the extent of the color you're gonna get. You're not gonna get anything full coverage or anything like that, and I'm okay with that. If you are a no makeup person, you're gonna love these. If you don't wear foundation every day, but you just want like something to brighten up your cheeks, you're gonna love these. Even if you have foundation on, I still think you're gonna like it. If you like matte makeup, nothing shiny, nothing dewy, stay away from these because you won't like these. Out of the entire collection, well, not the entire, I didn't buy everything. I just bought these things and like this, I kind of wish I bought another one just to have, but I also don't want to hoard products like I usually do and then I never go through this one. But I don't know, I definitely think that I see myself using this a lot. So this is the look that we have. Again, you don't need to buy everything, but if you ask me, okay, Anna, what do I need or what should I get? Because you don't need to buy, this is, what is it? What does my husband say? Is it a want or is it a need? It depends. Okay, it's more of a want though. Let's be real. This one. And I do like these. Again, you don't need all three of these. You can just maybe pick one or two. Like I love the plum. I love a good plum. And then these two bright shades are, they're pretty. I don't know, go with what you want to get. I don't know, don't ask me. Because I'm gonna tell you to buy everything. I think it's nice, so. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you in my next one.